Hello students, today we will learn maxima and minima. The maximum value of f of x. A function f of x is said to have a maximum value at a point x is equal to c if f of x is less than f of c for all x not equal to c. The value f of c is called the maximum value of f of x, whereas the minimum value of f of x, a function f of x is said to have a minimum at a point x is equal to c if f of x is greater than f of c for all x not equal to c. The value of f of c is called the minimum value of f of x. Now see question number 1. Find the local maximum and local minimum value of f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 24x plus 5. Now here first we will write the given function as it is, then differentiating with respect to x. So f dash of x is equal to derivative of x cube is 3x square minus derivative of 3x square is 6x minus derivative of 24x is 24 and derivative of 5 is 0. So this is the value of f dash of x. Now for extreme values we will consider f dash of x is equal to 0. Therefore 3x square minus 6x minus 24 is equal to 0. Taking 3 common, in bracket we will get x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Shifting this 3 to this side, that will become 0. So x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now splitting the middle term, we will get x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now from first two terms taking x common, x minus 4. From next two terms taking 2 common, we will get x minus 4. So the values of x are x is equal to 4, x is equal to minus 2. Now we will differentiate this f dash of x with respect to x so that we will get f double dash of x. So f double dash of x will be 6x minus 6. Now once we will substitute x is equal to 4 in this function of f double dash of x. So the value will be 18. Now this 18 is greater than 0 and therefore we can say that the function has minima at x is equal to 4. Then we will substitute value of x, that is minus 2, in f double dash of x. Then we will get answer as minus 18, which is less than 0, and therefore f has maxima at x is equal to minus 2. Now these values of x we will substitute in the original function of f of x to get the corresponding maximum and minimum value. So this is nothing but our original function, that is f of x. Once we will substitute x is equal to 4 to get the minimum value, because at x is equal to 4 the function attains the minima, and by substituting the value x is equal to 4 in the function of f of x, we are getting minus 75, and by substituting the value x is equal to minus 2 in the function f of x, we are getting the value 33, and therefore local minimum of f of x is minus 75 when x is equal to 4, and local maximum of f of x is 33 when x is equal to minus 2. That means while simplifying for maxima and minima, our steps will be: first differentiate the given function with respect to x to get f dash of x. Then consider f dash of x is equal to 0 to get the extreme values, that means to get the values of x. Then we will again differentiate f dash of x with respect to x to get f double dash of x. And in that f double dash of x, one by one we will substitute the values of x to find at which value of x the function attains the minima or maxima, and then that values of x we will substitute in the original function to get the corresponding maximum and minimum values. Now let's consider question number 2. Find the maximum and minimum value of the function. Function is equal to 3x cube minus 9x square minus 27x plus 15. Now first we will write the given function as it is, differentiating with respect to x. So f dash of x is equal to 9x square minus 18x minus 27. For the extreme values, we consider f dash of x is equal to 0. So 9x square minus 18x minus 27 is equal to 0. Taking 9 common, in bracket we will get x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now shifting 9 to this side, this will become 0. So x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now splitting the middle term and simplifying this, we are getting the values of x as x is equal to minus 3 and x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 1 is equal to 0, and therefore the values of x are x is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 1. Now we will find f double dash of x by differentiating f dash of x with respect to x. So f double dash of x is equal to 18x minus 18. Now in this f double dash of x, one by one we will substitute the values of x. So f double dash at 3, we are getting 36, which is greater than 0, and therefore f has minima at x is equal to 3. Whereas by substituting x is equal to minus 1 in f double dash of x, we are getting minus 36, which is less than 0. So f has maxima at x is equal to minus 1. Now these values of x we will substitute in the original function to get the corresponding maximum and minimum value. So by substituting x is equal to 3 in function f of x, we are getting minus 66, and by substituting x is equal to minus 1 in f of x, we are getting 30. So we can say that the function f of x has minimum value minus 66 at x is equal to 3 and maximum value 30 at x is equal to minus 1. Let's consider one more question. Determine the maximum and minimum value of the following function. F of x is equal to x square minus 16 upon x. Now we will write the given function as it is. Now differentiating this with respect to x, we are getting f dash of x is equal to 2x minus 16 upon x square, because derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Now for extreme values, we consider f dash of x is equal to 0. So 2x minus 16 upon x square is equal to 0. Simplifying this, we are getting 2x cube minus 16 is equal to 0. Taking 2 common and shifting to this side, we are getting x cube minus 8 is equal to 0. Now here, if we write this 8 as 2 cube, then we are getting this in the form of a cube minus b cube. So by applying the formula of a cube minus b cube, we are getting a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 0. So x minus 2 is equal to 0 and therefore x is equal to 2. And if we consider this function, Then by simplifying this we are getting the complex roots. So we cannot consider this. Or we can simplify like this, x cube minus 8 is equal to 0. So x cube is equal to 8. So x cube is equal to 2 cube and therefore x is equal to 2. In any way we can simplify, we are getting x is equal to 2. Now differentiating f dash of x to get f double dash of x, we are getting 2 minus 16 into minus 2 upon x cube. That means minus 2 into x raised to minus 3. So by simplifying this, we are getting 2 plus 32 upon x cube. Now f double dash for x is equal to 2 is 6 and which is greater than 0. So we can say that f has minima at x is equal to 2. And to get the minimum value, we will substitute x is equal to 2 in the original function of f of x, and that is equal to 12. And therefore the minimum value of f is 12 at x is equal to 2. Thank you, students.